Ask anyone in Bangalore how far something is, and they won't answer you in kilometers, they'll answer you in hours.
Oh, that place, 45 minutes. If you leave now, somewhere along the way, this city stopped measuring distance and started measuring it in everything we give it to get there. Time, evenings, weekends, the energy we meant to spend on living. But there's one corner of Bangalore that's quietly rewriting that equation, and today we're going to walk you through it. Whitefield, the address that built India's tech story. For 2 decades, it had everything: the jobs, the campuses, the buzz, and one catch: getting there. Then the metro arrived. Kadigudi and Whitefield are now connected straight into the city's spine, with KR Puram as your interchange to everywhere else, and suddenly the place everyone walked in became the place everyone wants to live in. This is where Fortuna rises.
As you enter, the first thing you will get is your spacious and loving living area with an attached balcony where you can enjoy your evening teas with your family and friends. And look at the space of the living area compared to the other builders is something rare, because Ramki is giving in this particular project 74% open carpet area, as other project gives around 68 or 69%. Coming to this way, this is your spacious, like a bedroom size kitchen with such good fittings, and yeah, with lots of ventilation because kitchen needs some view also. Coming ahead, so this is a 2 BHK configuration which starts from 1159 square feet with lots of space and an attached toilet with lots of ventilation also. The washroom is also kept in mind and built up in a good space. Moving outside, this is a Porter washroom, and just look at the size of the Porter washroom. You have never seen this kind of Porter washroom in any of the projects, I can guarantee you that. This way, room number 2. Just look at the space and the ventilation each of the rooms are giving. This particular project is situated in Whitefield, closer to Ho Farm Junction, Hodi, and closer to your tech parks.
5 minutes from the outer ring road, 10 minutes from the metro, 15 from ITPL. Step out and you are surrounded by the giants international tech parks: TCS, Wipro, SAP, IBM, Oracle, Accenture, Dell, Google. Your office, your colleagues, your whole world minutes away, not hours. Now picture 11 acres, and here's the part that almost unheard of. It's close to the tech corridor. 80% of it is open. Green lawn, tree courts, water features, room to simply breathe inside the homes. You get a generous 74% carpet area, because here's the space you pay for is the space you actually live in. Fortuna offers 1, 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK homes from 605 to 1600 square feet, and a range wide enough for a young professional buying their first flat or a family that's finally ready to upgrade. Every layout is designed for natural light and cross ventilation, so the apartment breathes as much as the 11 acres around it. At the center of all, it sits a 50,000 square feet clubhouse, genuinely one of the largest in this part of the city. Inside, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a banquet hall for the celebrations that matter, a business center for the days you work from home, a spa and salon, and a mini theater, and a jogging and cycling track. 60 plus amenities in total. And the details that makes everyday life easier. EV charging at your parking spot, a smart home app that puts the building in your pocket, a medical room on call, and a dedicated pet zone, because every member of the family deserves a place here. Here's why this location matters beyond just convenience. Whitefield has consistently been one of Bangaluru's strongest performing micro markets, driven by IT jobs that don't leave and now metro connectivity that didn't exist a few years ago. Strong rental demand, a location that only appreciates, and a possession timeline of roughly 1 year, which means returns are in a distant promise, they're around the corner. Here's where it gets genuinely rare. Homes at Fortuna starts from just rupees 78 lakh onwards, and 2 BHK starts from 1.2 crore onwards. 3 BHK 1.81, and the assurance behind it all. Pay just 10% now, no pre-EMI until you get your keys, and a delivery guarantee your home on time, or you earn rental income of 275,000 rupees a month until it's ready. That's not a promise, that's accountability. So here's the real question. How much longer will you let Bangalore charge you in hours for a life you are not even living? Fortuna in Whitefield is a chance to change that, to live closer to the work, your people and yourself.
So this was Ramki Fortuna for you. If you like the project, comment details and we'll share you everything right into your DM. If you want more details, pricing, floor plans, don't forget to reach out to us at the Mani Consulting, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more real estate insights. Till then, see you. Bye.